Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Masala Bharwan Tinde in Punjabi style, that is spices mixture stuffed round gourds in Punjabi Indian style. Round gourds are cooked in many different ways in India. Cook these gourds using this great traditional Punjabi recipe and it is sure to be liked by even those who don't like eating tinde. We are making this dish with 300 gram tinde. Peel all gourds by scrubbing their skin and wash them thoroughly. To prepare stuffing masala, add 1/3 teaspoon or to taste salt into a bowl. Also add 1/3 teaspoon or to taste kala namak, that is black salt, 1/2 teaspoon, or to taste garam masala, 1/3 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon, or to taste pisi lal mirch, that is red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon, or to taste amchur powder, that is ground dried raw mango powder, and 1/2 teaspoon saunf powder, that is ground fennel seeds. Mix all spices well so as to disperse evenly. Now use a sharp knife to make 2 slits on all gourds in crisscross fashion so as to create pockets. Take care that all of gourds remain attached at other end. Stuff all gourds with prepared spices mixture by putting it into created pockets. Reserve remaining spices mixture and stuffed gourds aside for a while. Add 2 or 3 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee in a wok over medium heat. Also add 1/2 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, into wok, and when cumin starts crackling add in peeled and grated 2 medium-size onions. Stir and saute for 6 to 8 minutes. Saute while stirring occasionally until onion is nicely browned. Reduce heat to low and add reserved remaining spices mixture in it. Stir to mix, then add additionally 1 teaspoon ground coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon ground turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, a pinch or to taste of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. We are adding very less seasonings now as we have already added leftover spices mixture into it. Stir to mix, then pour in a little amount of water so that spices don't get burnt. Stir and saute for a minute on low heat. Then add 1 teaspoon ginger paste, or you may add ginger garlic paste if like to. We are using only ginger paste. Stir and saute further for 2 minutes. Now pour 1/4 cup water into wok so as to loosen consistency. Stir to mix well, then increase heat to medium-low. Place masala stuffed gourds in onion mixture, and cover gourds with masala mixture by pouring over from sides. Cover the wok with its lid and cook covered for 15 to 20 minutes on medium-low heat or until gourds are tender. Keep on stirring occasionally during cooking very gently, and pour in more water if masala has gone too dried. Check whether gourds are cooked and have gone tender, then add 1/4 cup Matha, that is churned or whisked curd or yogurt. Gently stir to mix and increase heat to medium. Cover the wok again with its lid and cook further for 3 to 4 minutes at medium heat. Remove the lid. Stir and cook uncovered at medium heat for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until the water or whey released from yogurt is evaporated. Check and adjust the seasonings now and stir to mix all well. Finally add 1 teaspoon crumbled Kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, and 1/4 teaspoon or to taste garam masala. Stir to mix, then turn off the heat. Serve Punjabi style delicious Masala Bharwan Tinde, that is masala stuffed round gourds curry accompanied with naan roti or parantha, and enjoy. We hope that you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback is really important for us. Thanks.